Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy quickly step by step. Begin by choosing 2 or 3 high-yield systems to master first and map major landmarks. Break study sessions into focused 20 to 40-minute blocks with active recall using flashcards. Add spaced repetition for review and mix in practice questions after each session. Finish with brief clinical cases to tie structure to function and make knowledge stick for exams and practice. Start by picking reliable resources like atlases, concise review books, and online anatomy apps for labeled visuals. Create digital flashcards with images and brief prompts, then schedule reviews with spaced repetition software. Draw simplified concept maps to link muscles, nerves, and vessels, and narrate explanations out loud to strengthen recall. Finally, simulate short clinical scenarios to apply anatomy to problems, and ensure you remember. Design a daily routine that balances study and rest to avoid burnout while keeping momentum. Aim for 2 to 4 focus sessions per day, each with active tasks like drawing structures, labeling images, and timed quizzes. Reserve 1 session weekly for cumulative review using spaced intervals to reinforce older material. Monitor progress with short self-tests and shift time toward weaker topics so your overall knowledge becomes balanced and exam-ready.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.